All right, Tshepo. So I want to show you what the team has built based on your feedback. If you remember, we're trying to capture client information easily, right? The first profile and then update it. And then, of course, all this information can be written to Pixie. And at the same time, try to surface results in terms of what the client is looking for, like in a really fast way. So let me show you how it works, right? So there's this command for like now to test this slash real estate. I'll need to turn on this for your account if you'd like to play with it. But you can see that now I'm in real estate mode, and now I can do something like this. Yes, so I just had a inbound from a client called Mohamed, and he told me that he wants to see what is there for sale below 900,000 AED, and he wants around the Dubai Marina. So the moment I drop this, what now the librarian is doing, okay, there's a new client called Mohamed. I need to create this lead in our like mini internal CRM. So if I go to this site now, just for you to see what's behind the scenes, right? We always want to give you all this information on WhatsApp. But now there's a new something here on the left called leads. And if I refresh this page, you can see that now there's a new client called Mohamed. And the moment I click here, I can see what Mohamed is looking for, right, at first initial note. And it will, the properties for Dubai Marina should appear here. Yeah, here they go. So you can see just in a few seconds, it's already surfacing properties in Dubai Marina that match this profile. You can see here everything collected from Bayut automatically. Now, where this starts to be interesting, I mean, within 30 seconds, you see you could actually start sharing some of these properties with the client. Where this starts to be interesting is, let's say I share these properties, right? And Mohamed wants something a bit bigger, so he's willing to go a bit higher budget. So I can say something like this. Hey, regarding Mohamed, I just shared some properties with him, and he's saying that they look a bit small, right? Because he wants at least to have an office. So he's willing to go up to 1 million AED if that helps, and then we can try to negotiate down. But yeah, update his profile that he's up to 1 million AD. Oh, and super important, it should be a dogs friendly community. So here the idea itself is that I get out from a phone call or a view and so on, and just as easy as this is a quick voice note, it will update Mohamed's profile. Again, you don't need to know this is just a detail, but if I scroll all the way to the bottom, you can see that all the notes that I drop keep updating here, right? So if I refresh right now this page, you will see there's a new note here on the bottom of the page, right? Saying, okay, it feels small, budget increased to 1 million, right? So this is just like input from my voice. Where this is super interesting is that if I scroll back all the way to the top, right, this is what matter, right? You already said, okay, 1 2 bedroom, 1 million, dog friendly. And the moment it does this, these properties are automatically refreshed based on the new query that I just dropped. You see, already a property here, 950K, automatically. So you can see how fast this is. So basically, just summarizing, one, super easy to keep the information about Mohamed, profile, email, phone number, whatever. Super easy to update with a voice command. And of course, this can be reflected into Pixie. Number two, without even having to go to Bayut or, for that saying, Pixie, you can already get the properties here immediately, automatically. So you don't need to log in anything. Yeah, let us know what you think. This was done, inspired by your input, Seppo. So it would be great for me and Neil to know your feedback if you think we're going the right direction. And of course, like I said in the beginning of this recording, everything that you see here, the understanding, you already understand the logic of Librarian. Everything that you see here is just like a database. So all of this can be surfaced on the WhatsApp side. So let me give you an example. So you want to confirm with Mohammed that the profile is correct. All right. So I need to send Mohammed his profile to make sure that I clearly understood what he's looking for. So draft a friendly WhatsApp message that I can send to Mohammed to confirm his preferences. Yeah. So I'll explain, Tshepo. Everything that is there in the database, we want to easily to surface it on WhatsApp. So you don't need to, go to any different app, any different portal, whatever. Everything from WhatsApp you can surface. So in this case, Librarian is just going to summarize what Mohammed is looking for. So I can send to Mohammed and say, hey, is this okay? Does this make sense? The notes I capture about you and your family, whatever. You see already. There's a friendly message that I can send to Mohammed to confirm this. And then, of course, yeah. And then once confirmed, we have that list. I could already ask here, Librarian, okay, show me the apartments that match Mohammed, and the links, so I can start sending to Mohammed. Yeah, looking forward to your feedback, Seppo. Thanks.